Mama, I'm so hungry.
Okay, let's make braided chicken bread. Do you know how to make it? Let's see. First, you have to take an egg, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, 3/4 tablespoon yeast, 1 cup, that is 150 ml of milk. Milk should be warm. Blend it properly and keep it aside. Now take 750 grams of maida, that is 3 cups, 25 grams of butter, half teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Keep adding the prepared mixture little at a time and start kneading it. Take it on a flat surface, stretch and knead it so that the gluten gets developed. Knead it for about 7 to 10 minutes. Sprinkle the flour onto the work surface if needed. Transfer it into the bowl, pour some cooking oil on the top, cover it with a lid and keep it for 3 hours. Now let's make the filling. Pour butter or ghee into the hot pan. Add finely chopped 1 medium-sized onion, stir it, half teaspoon salt, you have to stir it until the onion becomes slightly brown. Add 1 tablespoon of maida and stir it for a minute or less. Add 1 glass or 150 ml of milk. Keep stirring it as you add it and it should be on a very high flame. Now add the shredded chicken and the chicken stock and blend it well till it all mixes together. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. You can see the dough after 3 hours. It's all fluffy. Have some fun punching the dough. Start folding it inwards and knead it for a minute or so. Flatten the dough, sprinkle some flour if needed. Now keep the filling which is already prepared in the middle. Now cut the edges to make the braid. Let's apply some egg yolk to give the shiness. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius and bake mode. Once preheated, bake it for 45 minutes to 1 hour in 180 degrees Celsius. So, you like it?
Wow, Amma, it's so yummy! All should try this recipe. Please like and subscribe my Amma's channel.